Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out GPTHub. You're on this website and you're wondering, can you really make money with GPTHub, right? Look, it says here, earn GPT points for simple tasks such as completing surveys, tasks and offers, watching videos, playing games and more. And you're wondering, can you really make money from this make money online website? Well, I'm going to review it. I've reviewed hundreds of these GPT style websites out there, and I'm going to show you a much better way to earn money. You can 100x your income if you do this correctly, okay? And I'm going to show you a strategy later, but let's talk a little bit about GPTHub. All it is it's a make money online website where you can basically come here, create an account for free, okay? Register for free. And you can be, located anywhere in the world, and you can basically watch videos to gain points. You can play video games to gain points. You can take surveys to gain points, and you can do a little bit of shopping as well to take points, right? So GPT stands for get paid to do something. Right now, understand that with this kind of website, it is real, right? So GPTHub does allow you to withdraw money. You are able to collect points by doing these little tasks, right? But you're not going to get rich doing it, all right? So please understand that every time you complete a task, you're gonna earn very little points. We're talking about 5 to 10 points for every single action that you take. That's roughly about a few cents. We're talking 2, 3, 4, 5 cents per action that you take. So if you think about it, in order for you to add up enough points to earn $1 or $2 or $5 is going to take a lot of time, all right? So it is real money, but you're going to have to be spending a lot of time watching a lot of videos, playing a lot of games, taking a lot of surveys, doing a lot of shopping before you even see enough points to withdraw $1 or $2, okay? Now they have a threshold. The threshold is $2, which is good compared to a lot of GPT websites out there. Most GPT style websites require you to have at least $10 or $15 saved up in points, which could take like months. It could take you like 6 months to do that. But with these guys, you can withdraw after $2 threshold, and you must have at least 1,500 points, okay? So that's $3 actually worth of points in the system before you can make a withdrawal. Now that will still take you some time, so you just have to decide whether or not you want to get involved in a website like this where you're going to have to watch quite a lot of video, play a lot of games, and fill out a lot of surveys before you add up enough points to get to 1,500 points and more than $2 in equivalent dollars for you to withdraw. All right. Now you can withdraw your money into two places: Payoneer and Skrill. You can create free accounts with Payoneer and Skrill, and then withdraw that directly into your accounts, and then transfer that into your bank. Okay. Sorry, let me just go back here again. I don't know what happened there. All right, and that's kind of a GPTHub in a nutshell, right? Now, it's not a bad way to make money. I mean, if you're on this website and you're trying to make money online and you've never done it before, it's a good way to get started. Okay. The thing that I don't like about GPTHub is that there's a ton of ads on it. You see all these ads here? There's just so much ads here, and you can't get rid of these, unfortunately. So it's very distracting, right? Here you go, another one's here, right? So it's not that great, and also you can't earn that much money. You can earn a little bit of money and you can get started doing that, but over the long term it's going to be sucking up a lot of your time, right? So if you only have 1 or 2 hours a day to spend on making money on the internet, there are much better ways to do it. So let me show you 2 strategies that you can use right now, okay? Now, Survey Time is a really good survey website, right? This website allows you to get 50 cents to $1 per survey that you fill out. And every survey that you fill out, it only takes 15 minutes to 20 minutes, sometimes half an hour to fill out. So you can actually make quite a bit of money by filling out surveys with Survey Time. Now, most survey websites don't allow you to do that. Most survey websites will only pay you a little bit of money, and it takes you an hour to finish a survey, and they don't have that many surveys. So these guys really have quite a lot of surveys, and you can withdraw your money directly into PayPal almost instantly. You don't have to wait 2 months before you actually receive your money like a lot of survey websites do. So if you want to start making quicker money than GPTHub, I would check out Survey Time, okay? So you can withdraw your money pretty quickly from PayPal, and you can fill out quite a lot of surveys at one go, and this is available pretty much anywhere in the world. So you want to check out Survey Time out, right? Now what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you an even faster way to make money online, and this is what I do every single day, okay? I'm actually going to log into my PayPal just to show you some proof here, okay? So you can see that this is real, all right? So you can see right now that this is my name on top, so this is this is actually my PayPal account. Now what I do, you see all these little payments that are coming in? right? So $52, $70, $70, $51, $85, $67, $57, right? This is all coming in from a piece of software called ClickMagick. Okay, let me show you another one. All right, this is these are all products that I sell, right? $111, $111, $223, $866, $866, $754, $188. You get the idea, right? Let me show you another one. All right, Edison, and you can see that this is real because I'm actually typing it in and it's searching for it, right? Look at this, 543. 1,213, 1,168, 1,101, right? So you can see these are all different payments that are coming into my own PayPal account. And what's happening here is I'm just marketing other people's software and products, and I'm connecting people all over the world that are interested in buying these types of products, right? So what I'm doing is I'm finding people that have a problem they're trying to solve. I help them to find a product that will help them solve that problem, and I connect them together. This is called affiliate marketing, right? And when I make a sale, I make a commission, and it goes directly into my PayPal account. Now, they also send checks, and there's other ways to get paid, but I just want to show you a quick and easy version so you can see that this is one of the ways that you can make a lot of money. Now, if you were to do a strategy like GPT, I mean, where you're making literally like $1 or $2 maybe after, a week of spending time on it, or with survey time, which is better, but again, you're only making maybe a maximum of, $2, $3, $4, $5 a day. It's a far cry from what I just showed you here. Okay, so if you're interested in maximizing your income, we're talking about tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year. This is how I would do it. All right, so it just depends on who you are. If you're somebody that just wants to spend a little bit of time online, maybe half an hour a day, then something like this or something like this will be sufficient for you. But just understand that you're never going to get rich by GPT websites and survey websites. It's a good start, but you're never going to retire. You can't travel the world. You can't pay off your mortgage. And you can't do anything special like that. All right. Really, if you want the big money so that you can really live the maximum type of lifestyle that you want, and never have to worry about money again, then you're gonna have to use a strategy like this, where you're selling real product to real people all over the world. And it's not difficult. You just have to learn the step-by-step strategy on how to do that. Okay. So if you would like to do this, if you would like to replicate what I'm doing right now, right here, all you need to do is just register for my 6-figure workshop, where I'm going to show you how to do this for free, okay? If you're on your mobile phone, click on the arrow on the right-hand side on the next page, register for the workshop, get on it. It's super detailed. Make sure you check your email and your spam folder, because the details of the workshop will be in there, okay? And I hope to see you on the workshop. I hope to help you to get these kinds of results so that you can really live life to the maximum, travel the world, spend more time with your family, never have to worry about the bills again, and just live a great life, okay? Really learn how to generate sales 100% from home, just using your laptop, your computer, and an internet connection. I hope you enjoyed this review of GPTHub. I wish you all the best. I hope to see you in the workshop, and let's speak soon.